eye proposals are omodiaba aye de koma party empanifo akotena so on the 19th of July. And ntimi de medical kadada eye top bottom approach in me ma kire ma adwene wo ho dada ma kan bebre. I am totally against top bottom approach. It's a recipe for chaos. I am totally against the top bottom approach because I believe say a recipe for chaos. And my titi sen ko for kase na ye call National Council e ba ye no obia ni ho oppose ye na obia 100% obia. It is never true. There were people who spoke against it, myself included. Omo kaseti aye no omo ni ha ntimi nka omo asem. But I am one individual. I spoke against it because your committee na medical crash imagine e wo radio so bebre. Na enye ade nso so eye kokoamu asem ene aka ne se eye kokoamu adidie. If you against it na it's on principle, you don't have to be shy to express it. And I proudly expressed it on the floor of council because the very proposal committee ne de ba ye ne say yen she date na ye she date ni wi ya expande ye college no ye expande wi ye de akoto abano enti omo bo say ye dede say ye koto presidential first no e bi omo ante ade na eye committee ne de ba na say ye committee ne say ye she date na ye ko eye July ni akwa expande electoral college no na to expand the electoral college no say ye jitum proposals yom dia ba say yemfa 22 nka polling station no ho electoral area no so no yenye no 55 electoral area connecting team na constituency no so yen split portfolios ni bi ni ade. The very fact say we will need to do these expansions na eye elective positions no untumi enka se ukotena dem na wa appoint e wo se ye to aba na ye beto aba na ye to aba ni free form na ye di free electoral area ye di akoye ye di free polling station ye di akoye electoral area na ye free electoral area ye di akoye constituency ye di free constituency and ye di akoye region ye di akoye national na yenya college na ye complete no ye di akoye akoto aba em flag bearer. And I believe say top bottom approach them go for cano omunim insunsan so bonia at the bebre party no